Okay, I'm coming up on the Washington state border, and I was thinking, with the marijuana being legalized here, what are the chances that a lot of marijuana shops will be set up along the border? That'll be interesting how that works. There will probably be a lot of people who are willing to just go to the border and purchase whatever they want to get. I mean, why would they want to go all the way to Seattle to pick up marijuana when it's within the whole state of Washington that it's legal? They even have on a sign that says like 20 miles to Tacoma and 4 miles to the state border. So people are well aware when they enter Washington. And I see these cars coming from Washington, and I think, wow, how many of these cars are containing marijuana coming back? It makes me think of Denmark and how popular they got with their legal drug tea shops and such. I mean, that's what you're looking at in a change of business culture and stuff. Is a lot of people are going to be interested in trying to cross over the border to try this legal recreational marijuana. And coming from the east side, because Oregon and California both have marijuana medically, so they're, in a lot of ways, they're covered. But straight east, I'm not sure if Idaho has any medical marijuana, or even Montana. So there's probably a good chance you're going to come across a lot of these border crossers. It happens all the time with the change in laws and stuff. It's gone on with fireworks. People had crossed the border for that, or even like alcohol for a while in Louisiana when it was legal to consume alcohol. People had crossed the border to get alcohol at 18 instead. If you're close enough, I mean, what are the limits that a person's willing to drive to achieve their goal, to skirt the law? Marijuana, that's a pretty big change. Even though I don't think a lot of marijuana shops are open yet. There are probably a lot of people fighting to set them up, though, with that law change that occurred, and it's been over a year now since they made that law change, and then now they're working on business regulations for it. But it's an interesting change in the culture now. I mean, we've seen in the past how legalizing something on one side of the border will affect the other side. I mean, Canada already has legal weed as far as I understand, so it won't affect them. I think it'll affect more of the east side of Washington, and people will cross over from there. Granted, Montana doesn't have a large population, neither does Idaho so much. All those mountain villages. So it's something to think about. I mean, even on the ocean, who's going to cross over the ocean to get to the legal marijuana? So, yeah, you wonder how are the councils of the cities going to handle this new demand with the new law change? What are they going to do? Are they going to allow all kinds of tea shops to just start sprouting up everywhere, or what? But it's definitely a change in culture that's going to be unique to watch.